Hello everybody, it's the sheep farmer here again, and today farm tour part 3. And this is the garage and the lawn, and here's Flopsy. Hello, you okay? Oh, that's the rabbit. This is our rabbit hutch. You see? So I think the sheep pasture will be the last part, but after the next video, after the last farm tour I make, I will make a tour of one of my tractors, hopefully. This is a BMC Mini, and this is a Leyland 154. Good tractors. Yeah, so this is the garage, as you could see, and this is the coal storage. So, oh, there are chickens here. I know. And do you remember the video, me and W Gaming 24 collecting the logs with a Fergie and a link box? Well, we bought the logs here to get sawed. Get the saw, like chainsaw or normal saw, and we store them in there for winter to light the fire. And that's our dark shed there. So, and this is where the goat sleeps. That's a feed trough underwater back here. This is where the goat sleeps. It's our goat shed. And yeah, on the lawn. The next part will be, well, I'm not sure, but this is farm tour part 3. And there's really not much to show in this part. And also I'm going to show you, well, that's the paddock. Oh yeah, we've got quite a lot of chickens, and even I haven't seen the chicks for a while, but up there is where they are. This is the chicken shed one, and that's also a chicken shed. Feed trough, egg laying, like the chicken goes in there, makes an egg, it goes down and goes in here, and there are 2 eggs here. I think this was the one that I shown on literally one of my first videos. The second video I made was, yeah, this is where I collected those eggs. Yeah, this is where the chickens live. Ah, that's Gertie. Remember the goat? Hello. Hello? You okay, Gertie? The goat that's the, the goat that was following the link box. Ah, the dog. What are you doing out here? You okay? Oh, yeah. The next time I'm showing you my sheep. The last, yeah, next time. Leave the door open for the dog to come out. Yeah. So over there is our feed storage. I don't know if I'm allowed in there because I don't think I'm supposed to disturb the cows. And yeah, and to tell you the truth, now I've got a friend called Osian. I was gonna tell you this on my last farm tour, but I've got a friend called Osian. Thanks to him, he's the one who told me to do this farm tour. He's the one who came up with the idea of me making a farm tour. So I am very proud of him. One of my friends. Yeah. So thank you so much for Osian for bringing up with the idea of making this farm tour. If